I start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Good afternoon for all educators and honorable audience. First and foremost, I would like to thank to the proposition team for presenting their arguments. However, we stand here firmly as the opposition team to challenge the motion that advocate. We believe that in narrative opposition team have construed portraying and political dynasties as an absolute threat to the democracy to oversimplify and wants to consider that completify of practical reality. The proposition said paints political dynasties as a form of disguised monarchy, but we argue that the functioning democracy, a political dynasty, is not an inherited right but a confessable opportunity that we must be taxed and forbidden through the will of the people. The proposition frames political dynasties as the symbol of democracy downfall as if democracy will collapse. Simplify because someone shared a last name with the previous leader. In reality, true determined by who runs for office, but by who the people choose. Therefore, I, as the opposition team, firmly reject this motion. I strongly mm, against that the existence of political dynasty doesn't inherently or a democracy. In many cases, political dynasties are the product of rational electoral choices, and they only become problematic when the democratic intuition are weak, not simply due to the family lineage. And the opposition team said that asymmetry of power is begin the democracy the vulnerable or democracy. Electoral of accountability, the proposition seems to forget what in a democracy member of a political dynasty must still go through competition elect electional. Their power is not inherited automatically. If they abuse their authority or fail to perform, the people have the ultimate power not to reject the well-known surname may open doors, but it is performance and accountability that keep them there. This is one of the strongest accountability mechanism that democracy provides. 2. Role of intuition that claim that all judicial system and accountability mechanism are disseminated is a dangerous generalization. In in many demo, in any democratic countries, intuitions such as the Supreme Court, Anti-Corruption Commission, and independent media still function effectively as the we have repeatedly seen cases where members of a political dynasties are perceived heavily criticized. This is really shows that they are not above the law. 3. Rational public trust. The proposition described loyal voters are as her boutiques of dynasty politicians. We find that framing deeply unfair. In reality, voters often place their trust in dynasty candidates because they believe in her ability to continue provide politics uphold the legacy of a well-respected procedure. This is not blind loyalty, but this is a fashion based on track record and visible impact. 3. Effort, social participation, and unfair competition. The proposition further claims that dynasty politicians support social participation and create unfair competition. The power of choice still belongs to the people. In any democracy, every citizen has the right to choose their choices. No one is banned from the constituting election, having a prominent last name of the guarantee victory. In fact, we have seen numerous examples of a non-dynasty politician defeating dynasty candidate. This power that politics remain an open arena for meritocracy, inherited political experience as an asset. The proposition views inherited political experience as a form of unfairness. However, we see it as a valuable asset. A person who grows up in the political environment gains deep insight to government possess wide networks and negotiation skill from an early age. These are tools that can make them more effective public servants. We should not punish someone simply because they come from a family that has contributed positively in public service. In conclusion, political dynasties are not an absolute guide to democracy. In many in many cases, they can be a sources of stability and continuity. Political stability during political transition, smooth power succession within a family can prevent political chaos and ensure the continuity of vital development program. This is a stability is crucial for long-term economics and settled projects. Let us be clear, we are here denying that political dynasties have weakness, but we forget the notion that they are singular, inherent dangers to democracy as long as free and for affection strong intrusion can inform public access. Political dynasties can be a part of the larger democracy system when the ultimate power remains worried people. We now arrive at the core of this debate. What truly defines a true of the democracy? A threat to democracy is not presence of a well-known family name, but the absence of choices, the erosion of institutional power, and the silencing of dissenting voices. Political dynasties in and of themselves are not inheriting undemocratically. What matters were systems that surrounds them, the rules aside but and the voice of the people that empowers of the regime. So I, as the first speaker of opposition team, believe that there is democracy we believe, there is democracy we defend too. That's all for me. Thank you.